Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we'll talk about partition values. This is also a very important topic in statistics. So, what do you mean by partition values? Suppose this is your total distribution and this distribution is divided into 4 equal parts. Suppose this is called Q1, Q2 and Q3. These are called quartiles. So look at that, you have 4 equal distributions. It's equally divided the distribution into 4 equal parts and these are called quartiles. Q1 is called the lower or the first quartile. Q2 is called the median, that is, you know that it divides the whole observations into 2 equal parts, and Q3 is the upper or the third quartile. So this is called quartiles. So quartile will divide the distribution into 4 equal parts. Now suppose you want more division. So let us define deciles, that is D1, D2, D3, like this, and up to suppose D9. So this divides the whole observation into 10 equal parts. So you require 9 deciles. Okay, D1, D2, D3, D9. So these are called deciles. Now suppose you want more divisions, more smaller divisions. So that is called P1, P2, etc. up to P99. These are called percentiles. So there are 99 percentiles. So this will divide the whole observations into 100 equal parts. You know, people are talking about percentiles. So these are called partition values. Quartiles, that will divide the whole observations into 4 equal parts. Deciles, that will divide the whole observations into 10 equal parts. And percentiles, that will divide the whole observations or distributions into 100 equal parts. So 99, you require 19 P99. So 99 percentiles and 9 deciles and 3 quartiles. So we first talk about the quartiles. There are 3 quartiles, Q1, Q2, Q3. When arranged in ascending order, divide the distribution into 4 equal parts. So Q1 is the first quartile or the lower quartile. Q2 is the median, already you know how to calculate the median. Q3 third quartile or upper quartile. So for simple frequency distribution, QI, how to calculate the QI? QI is the value of the I into n plus 1 by 4th item. I is 1, 2, 3, that is 1 for first quartile, 2 for second quartile, 3 for third quartile. So this is the same formula, just only change the I, and n is the number of observations. And for group frequency distribution, as usual, for median we see that we can calculate n by 2. So here I equal to 1, 2, 3, value of the I n by 4th item, I equal to, for median I equal to 2. So your formula looks like the median formula. You look at that, it's the same formula you are using. QI is equal to L plus IN by 4 minus FC by FM into I, where I is 1, 2, 3. So for Q1, that is for first quartile, n by 4th item. Q2, n by 2, that is 2n by 4th item. And for Q3 for third quartile, I n by 3n by 4th item. And FC is the frequency of that quartile class. FM, frequency preceding the quartile class. FM is the frequency of the quartile class. L is the lower boundary of the quartile class, and I is the width of that class, quartile class. Okay, these are the explanation. This is the main formula. Now come to the decile. So there are 9 deciles and arranged in ascending order, divide the distribution into 10 equal parts. So how will you calculate for simple frequency distribution? You look at that the same thing, but here 4, because it divides the observation into 4 equal parts. Here this is 10 because it will divide the observation into 10 equal parts. So it will be I into n plus 1 by 10. I equal to 1 to 9. There are 9 deciles. N is the number of observations. Group frequency distribution, the value of the IN by 10th item, same formula, in this case you have 4, in this case you have 10. So this is your deciles, di equal to L plus the same thing, In by 10 minus Fc by Fm into, here L is the lower boundary of the decile class, N is the total frequency, Fc is the cumulative frequency preceding the decile class, Fm is the frequency of the decile class, and I is the width of the class. So this is, you look at that same thing, but only changes that 10 by 10 and by 4, and obviously for percentile it will be by 100. So I am not going to detail of percentile, because you look at that, this is the changes by 100 and this is by 100, but the other things remains the same. So this is how you can calculate the partition values for simple series or group frequency distribution. Look at some, for example, one example here for you. Quartiles, find the quartiles, 6 decile and 30th percentile. This is the class interval and frequency. It's a continuous data, so this is your class boundary actually. So this is your cumulative frequency. As usual, you can calculate. So Q1 is a n by 4th item, In by 4, that is I is 1. So n by 4 is 82 by 4. So here is the position of n by 4. This is the position of n by 4. So cumulative frequency preceding the quartile class, Q1 class is 16. This is Fm, frequency of the quartile class, and this is the class containing the quartile Q1. So Q20 is the lower quartile, lower boundary of the quartile class. Look at that, 20, the formula you have applied, 20 plus this calculation, 20.5 minus 16 by 16 into 5 width of the class. So this gives you this. Now Q2 is n by 2, that is the median you want to calculate. So 82 by 2, (41). So this is the position of n by 2, and this is the median class, 25 to 30. 22 is the frequency of the median class, and 32 quartile preceding the medial class, that is cumulative frequency preceding the medial class. Look at the calculation now. Yes, 41st item. This is the 25, n by 2 is 41, 32 by 22 into 5 width of the class. So this is, and similarly Q3, just the thing is that 3n by 4 you calculate, that will be 30 to 40 is the third quartile class, and 61.5 is the value of the item. So this is how you can calculate the deciles and percentiles. So I hope this video is helpful to you. So we discuss about different types of partition values, quartiles, deciles and percentiles. So you observe more videos on my channel, so subscribe my channel. Thank you.